Using the reactions between water and ammonia and hydrogen chloride and water and hydrogen chloride, explain why water be considered as both a Bronsted-Lowry acid and a Bronsted-Lowry base. In each case, give the acid conjugate base pair. So where are we? We are in Bronsted-Lowry itself. So the whole question had to do with Bronsted-Lowry concept only. All right, so let's mark this out using two colors. Water and ammonia, let's say it's blue. Okay, so here we go. Let us write out water and ammonia. Next one, water and hydrogen chloride. Okay, two different equations, right? And the whole idea is explain why water can be considered, right? The water. Let me check out where's water. Water is like blue. Why water can be considered as both an Bronsted-Lowry acid and Bronsted-Lowry base? Okay, so here we go. First example. Can someone tell me the water? First one, the dark blue, the water there. Do you think it's a Bronsted-Lowry acid or base? And are you fast enough? That's always the question. It's an acid. Now, how you know? Once again, by looking here, you might not always know one. Actually can, but to confirm, all you need to do is to do what? Finish the question. Yes? So what happened? I believe the water gives out H+, and this is what you get. Yes? All these ions we are very familiar. And this is one that we learned in Sec 3. Is the one that is below we are not that familiar. Yes? Alright, then what is it? So again, let me just write this down. I believe this is acting as a Bronsted-Lowry acid. And this side, the second equation, I believe, is acting as a Bronsted-Lowry base. Why? Take a look when we're at HCl. HCl, I always think of it giving out H+, right? I don't know how you're going to take in H+ into HCl. Okay, so it must be a base over here and gets you this. I think it's quite logic. Done. Yes. That's a good question. All right. So when it comes to Bronsted-Lowry, all right. The first one I know because we know it before in Sec 3. Yes. The second one, is it a half arrow or single arrow? I will probably put single arrow because I know HCl is a strong acid. Yes. All right. This part is a bit murky over here, and usually when it involves like a strong acid like HCl, H2SO4, we normally are a bit lenient on that part. Because when we normally talk about Bronsted-Lowry, which is the next topic later on, usually involves the reversible arrow. Why I say reversible arrow? Because of this part. Remember Bronsted-Lowry, in the notes, there is always this pair. When you have the conjugate, it will always reverse back. Is that okay? It will always reverse back. So you write reversible arrow, nothing wrong. Bronsted-Lowry is all about reversible arrow. NH3 plus, give me a moment, which one? Okay, I skip a bit. NH3 plus HCl. You realize you go to different school notes, they'll say different thing. We all know what is being formed, right? They form this. Correct? HCl involved. So normally we use a single arrow. HCl, because whenever there is a strong one, then it will be single arrow. HCl is strong. Whenever there's one thing that's strong, because you get it to get to the other side. Okay? Can So I go back to the question. To recap back, what is Bronsted-Lowry, right? So the conjugate base pair, we need to get some marks over here, right? So we all know how it works. If this is, okay, I'm going to use color already. Okay, here we go. The H2O becomes what? Becomes OH minus. All right. So this is one pair. It's called H2O and OH minus. Then this is the one that is your Bronsted-Lowry base. We take in H plus to form this. So first equation, I have these two pairs. Likewise, for the second equation, yeah, my screen is very clear. Very good. And same thing over here. So the total, 4 pairs. All right, in Bronsted-Lowry. One equation, we always have 2 pairs. Yes? The blue and the green. 2 equations, then you have 4 pairs. Right? Make sense? 4 marks. This is a Cambridge question.
If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you would like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com. You'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.